We are so close to finishing Unit 3. Still on decimal notation for fractions. And look at this one. This one should take us 1 second once you memorize the steps. Let's go right away. 4 and F6, number 24. And 24, which equation? So, from here to here is the equation. All of this is true. So this would mean 3 false, 1 true. Let's do a quick review. Our place value chart, decimal point, tenths, hundredths, ones. Remember, when we are going smaller, we are going to the right. We are using fractions and decimal notation. Notice where the decimals are at. Let's pop that decimal out. So, let's put each one of these in here and see where it goes. We have 0.01. Whoa, this is way over here. 6 tenths, hundredths, thousandths. That's really small. Okay, this is option A, B, C, D. See what this looks on our place value chart. 0.3, 0.06. Oh wait, 48.1. Wow, this is way over here. So just by our logic and deductive reasoning, this whole number, 48.1, there's no way that's a fraction. That's a big number. It's not over 100. Now let's see if we can get this to fit. So notice they're all over 100. So we are going to the hundreds place. So we're going way over here. We're going to use this one too. Okay, which one's written correctly? Is 60 over 100 equal to 0.06? Let's draw this out. Let's see if we can fit it in here. Now this might not be to scale, but we're going to try our best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, just made it. 9, 10. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we took one entire, let's say, square box, and we cut it into 10 pieces, you would write this. Well, we'll wait to write it. Let's just say we cut it into 10 pieces. That's not 100 pieces yet. Let's make it 100. Let's see if I can do this again. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 smaller pieces. Let's say this was a big square box of cake. We had 100 pieces, 100 people to feed. So we needed to make it into 100 pieces. I'm trying to draw this as close as I can. Of course, if you had a computer, you could make this very precise. So now I'm just drawing lines going the other way, and let's see if I can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, just gonna make it. Got lucky. 10. I know that 10 times 10 equals 100. 100. But these are 100 teeny tiny small pieces. Now, to represent 16 out of 100, I would highlight 10, and then 6 more. And that would be 16 pieces. Okay? That's not 16 tenths. That's written incorrectly. This should be written as 0.16. Let's go to the next one. 30 pieces. So let's do the 30 pieces. 10, 20, 30. These are 30 small pieces. Remember, we can add a 0 to the end. Notice how we have 2 digits, 2 digits, okay? I'm sorry, I mean 2 zeros, and then we have 2 digits. Okay, so that's consistent. Notice how I have 2 zeros, but now I have 1, 2, 3 digits. Not consistent. This was way off. This one, I have 60 pieces. Notice how the 6 comes first? The 6 should come first here. This would say 6 pieces out of 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 needs to go in front. That's written incorrectly. The only one that's written correctly is this. We have 30 pieces over 100. And if you took out your trusty calculator and you took 30 divided by 100, you would get 0.3. Those are exactly the same. So let's do a quick review. Anytime you see a number over 100, it's right away that number at the top. So the top number, or the numerator, will just be followed by the decimal point. But notice how it's over 100. Previous lessons, when it was over 10, that changed. Okay, so keep that in mind. There are 2 zeros. It's 100 small little pieces. And to write it correctly, make sure that you write the numerator as follows. Okay, the more you see this, it's really important to see it visually. You could even think of 100 pennies equals $1. And then how many pennies do you have in there? So watch some more videos online. This was just really quick to show you that this is what's happening with this problem. Okay, hope that helps. Later.